Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to simply bookmark the tweet on Twitter. This is gonna be like a super easy video tutorial. So first of all, I want you to tap on Twitter app right here and to open it. So this is my feed right now on Twitter. You can bookmark any tweet you want or like. For example, I like this one, so I'm just gonna go ahead and bookmark this one. Tap here, tap on bookmark. Now a dialog box on the top of screen appeared stating that the tweet has been added to bookmarks. Let's do it again. Follow the same process. Go down. Okay, I like this one again. So I'm gonna tap here, bookmark. See, tweet added to your bookmarks. So this is how you add a tweet to your bookmarks. To check those bookmarked tweet, all you have to do is tap here on your profile picture right on the top screen to the left side. Tap here, tap on bookmarks. Here are the list of tweets that you just bookmarked on Twitter. So guys, this is how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give a like, share and subscribe. Bye guys, see you in the next video.